Okay, I'm going to do one more, and I want to, in contrast to the one that I just did, example 6, I want to really try to bring this stuff straight down and make it just really clear where things are coming from in case it hasn't already been that obvious. We have to multiply this times this whole thing, so we're going to distribute 5 times 3 is 15, and x is being multiplied times the 5, so basically we have 15x. So these two terms got multiplied together and created that. Now it's time to make these two. It's positive times a positive equals a positive 5x squared. I guess you could look at the 5 times an understood 1. 5 times 1 makes 5. X times x is x squared. So these two made that one, and these two made that one. That should be clear enough. Now we take this term, negative 4x times 2, so that's a negative times a positive is a negative. 4 times 2 is 8, and x is being multiplied by those because it was originally being multiplied times the 4, so basically we just carry it into there. Now we take this times that, so it's negative times a negative is a positive, and that's 4 times an understood 1, 4. X times x is x squared, and then we just bring down the 2x. So these two made this one, these two made that one, this one just came down. And I already pointed out how these two made that, and those two made that. Now it's a matter of identifying like terms. We can easily take the 15x and the positive 2x. So the way you look at it is you have 15x and you have 2 more x, so altogether you have 17x. Now the game is to bring down everything else that wasn't dealt with. X plus 4x squared. Okay, now we can identify a couple more like terms. Let's just go ahead and deal with the 17x and the minus 8x. So you have 17x and someone takes away 8 of them, 8x, so that would be 9x. And then we just transfer down everything carefully, bring that down. And so we're slowly chipping away at the like terms. This is an x squared term, that's an x squared term, so we're going to put them together, and that would be, you have 5x squareds, and someone adds 4 more of them, 4 more x squared. So altogether, how many x squareds do we have? 5 and 4 is 9x squared, and then this is a positive 9x. You should know that if there's not a sign out in front of it, we didn't have to write the sign out in front of it when it was here because there were no terms over here, but now that we're writing it to the right of this one, we're going to want to put that positive in between so it doesn't look like a bunch of multiplication going on. So that's as far as we can go. This x squared term can't combine with this just plain old x term. So it's like saying we have 9x squareds and we have 9x's. Just because they're the same letter doesn't mean they're the same. An x squared is very different from an x. So they're not like terms. That's as far as you can drive this problem, and that's how I would like to see it done.